um, um, um. Spare me a piece of bread, spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so thin and so ragged. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes I can see, but I know you are all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Do you know me 5 years ago? 1700. Yes. 5 years of bitterness had passed. I can still remember the vast happiness mother and I shared with each other. We are very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud taps were heard at the door and a deep silence ensued. Disapproval Nichols discovered our peaceful home. Mother ran to father's side pleading. Please, Louis, hide in the cellar. They're in the cellar where they cannot find you. I pulled my father out and he listened too. It seems as though his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang! But before us, 5 ugly came barging in. Are you Captain Luis Santos? Rude of the ugliest of them all. Yes, said my father. You are under arrest, said one of the beasts. They pulled my father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to be satisfied. We followed them mile after mile. We were angry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, our mouths watered. Seeing the delicious fruit they were eating. Then suddenly, we heard a voice call. Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! Ran toward the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw Father hanging on the tree, dead. He had been badly beaten before he died. And I cried, vengeance, vengeance, vengeance. Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother.
One day,
we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was a sign for us to find a shelter in a hideout. But I could not leave my mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, the box started falling. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Cannons were firing everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently in my arms and cried, I'll have vengeance, vengeance. No, Oscar.
No, Oscar! Vengeance is not ours. It's God.
Said Mother. And I cried out vengeance. I was like a pent-up volcano. Vengeance mine, not the Lord.
Oh, Oscar! Vengeance is not ours. It's God.
These were the words from my mother before she died. Mother was dead and I was blind. Vengeance not ours. To forgive is divine. Vengeance is sweeter. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Spare spare me a piece of bread, spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so thin and so ragged. Vengeance not ours, it's God. It's God.